Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome to Marie Olivier blog, this time about QR code on LinkedIn. I'm Marie Olivier and I will guide you during today's tutorial on how to do your QR code on LinkedIn so you can shine on any business networking. So, why QR on LinkedIn? You know, business cards. Everybody nowadays has a business card either in their phone or the paper one. And I want to ask you first, how many times it happened to you that you actually received a business card and you just put it in your purse, in your bag, in your pocket, and you just forgot about connecting with that person because it was just not convenient or not that important, not that urgent, and then you found that business card after few weeks, few months, few days, and you were like, now it's a bit awkward if I would get in touch with that specific person. I don't know what about you, but I can definitely raise my hand because it happened to me so many times. And this is why we have the QR code on LinkedIn and why you want to leverage LinkedIn for your business networking. And I will guarantee that you are going to shine on any business networking because there is very big chance that not a lot of people know about this feature. So what will you need for the QR code on LinkedIn is actually your phone. So I will get my phone. And then you go on LinkedIn. We want to tap on search, and here under the search we actually have like a small square which we gonna click, and this is currently my code. If I want to scan somebody else's code, I can just go to my camera if I of course have downloaded the LinkedIn application, or I can click on scan and I can simply scan it from inside LinkedIn. So this is easy as it is. I can also save it to photos. I can also share my code with other people, for example, on WhatsApp and on other social media platforms. And this is how you do the LinkedIn QR code. Alright, so this was a quick tutorial on why you need QR code, what is QR code, and how you can get it into your phone easily via the application, or also you can have it in your photos. And as I said before, you are going to be on spotlight in any business networking if you are going to master it, because people will also want to know more about how you do it. If you like this video, then follow me on YouTube, Marie Olivier Brand, or you can also get in touch with me on LinkedIn and write me that you are coming from this exact episode on LinkedIn, and I will send you an ebook for free where I explain how to start on LinkedIn. Every day is explained what I would post about, and there are 30 days plan. So write me on LinkedIn that you are coming from this exact episode about the QR code on LinkedIn, and I will see you next time. Bye!